Welcome to our video on how to remove a payment method on Prizepicks. Prizepicks is a popular platform for fantasy sports where managing your payment options is key. There are several reasons you might want to remove a payment method, whether it's due to changing accounts, managing your budget, or simply wanting a fresh start. To get started, you'll need to access your account settings. Log into your Prizepicks account and navigate to the settings icon. Once you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. This is where you'll manage your current options. Click on the payment method you want to remove. You should see an option to remove it. Just click Remove and confirm your choice. If you encounter any issues during the removal process, double-check that all required fields are valid or contact Prizepicks customer support for assistance. After successful removal, you should receive a confirmation notification. This lets you know your payment method has been successfully updated. If you want to add a new payment method, return to the same Payment Methods section and select Add New Payment. Follow the prompts to set it up. We've compiled some frequently asked questions regarding payment method changes. Make sure to review them if you have any additional inquiries. Thanks for watching our guide on removing payment methods on Prizepicks. If you need further support, check the resources link below.